All right. There's the date time. Is 9:32 p.m. in the evening on Thursday,
August 27th.
2026, which is Thursday.
Yep.
And we're going to do another fire service demo on the 23-year-old ThyssenKrupp Impulse hydraulic elevator at McCollum Hall, University of Nebraska-Lincoln East Campus, which is the building opened in 2003. I was born. And with this, another key. Once again, just like I did last night, once again, disclaimer. Do not
Do not do this in real life.
never, ever, never done with this permission. Dad? I can't put the recalls into the elevator.
What's that?
To get the recalls the elevator.
You want me to move this
Yeah?
a little bit closer?
Yeah?
Like that?
Yeah?
Okay, now can you do it?
Watch to this, the recalls the elevator. This is called the recall station.
On this side or this side?
Right here.
Okay, right there?
Yep.
Okay.
So this is called the recall station. Here we go.
Like that?
Now watch the indicator from the outside. You can hear the buzzer.
Okay.
You can see the indicator on the outside. You can see the numbers on the outside.
Right. Alright.
And here it is. See, the lantern doesn't light up because we're in a fire service demo.
Right.
See? Now the elevator is completely disabled. Which is
Which means it doesn't work.
no one can take it anywhere.
Right.
Right?
That's right.
Means?
Means that's correct.
Yeah. See? There's the aluminum firefighter hat. See? LL, none of them work.
Right.
Now, I take the fire key, which is the fire key, which is the Dover ThyssenKrupp H2389. Turn the fire service on. Now the elevator's in fire service. I can select the floor. Suppose now I want to go there. You press call cancel. I want to cancel it. Now the doors. To close the door to just like an independent service. Take your finger off the button. Door opens up again. Alright, let's close the door. Alright, the door is closed now. Alright. I'll go down to lower level. Here at LL, which is the lower level. Now watch this. The door wasn't open. Don't open the door. We're going to press it and hold. Take your finger off the button. Is the elevator automatically shows up? I'll let the door close. Now open the door. If you can press and hold for completely open. So you can tell it's all the way open. And this is the lower level. And everything. The safety edge. Now close the door. Hold the door closed. See? The door, the safety devices is just ignored.
Right.
Alright. Now go back up to 1. This is a nice elevator. This elevator was installed by O'Keefe Elevator, I believe. Of course, with impulse fixtures. And here are 1. And now we're going to go to open the door. Also, All right. And take the fire key out. Turn the fire service off here. And we'll go out here. Dad,
What?
did you turn the fire key off to reset?
To the left or right?
To the left.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
And left.
Reset.
Okay.
And
And what?
then the middle.
And then put
Then
it back
off.
in the middle, okay? Okay.
And
then what?
now the elevator is back in normal service.
Yep.
All right, that was another fire service demonstration on a 23-year-old 2003 ThyssenKrupp Impulse hydraulic elevator at McCollum Hall, University of Nebraska-Lincoln East Campus. With so that being said,
That's it.
that's it. Stay tuned for more fire service demonstration on UNL East Campus elevators with Dover ThyssenKrupp
On PowerPoint.
on PowerPoint. With so that being said,
That's it.
that's it.